Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. We're 99% sure that this driver is drunk and he just crashed into a pub right before this.
Get it all on camera! He's a idiot! Please, the police, please.
Why? Yes,
Look at the state of that van!
what's wrong about it?
What a idiot! What a bloody idiot!
Here he goes.
He's an absolute idiot! Where is he? I hope they give him a good idea.
I'm not getting involved. I'm not getting involved.
I probably know him. Who is he? Look at him.
I got quite a bit of it.
I have got the reg of the van, I've got the reg of the van, and then we're still outside.
Well, I'll be honest with you, there's no reds left on the van.
He is an absolute
That's the window if you want to take a picture. We've got the people videoing. He's in a full great tracksuit, black trainers. He's sorry.
He'll be one of the gypsy lads.
Yeah. So we're at the bars. He is a gypsy,
We won't be roofing after long, will we?
He's literally trying to run people's houses. He's not about fans. He's trying to find
He'll have to go, he'll go down for that.
This is how your packages get delivered so fast.
Well, this truck was doing some illegal moves, and instead of doing the right thing when they weren't going to make their turn, instead of doing the right thing and just going to the next exit, they chose to get into the wrong lane, and if I hadn't been paying attention, they would have run us off the road on a bridge. We have that on Dashcam, so I will pull that up and we can look at it, we can watch it again, we can watch it with your mom, but that's exactly why I need to be focusing on the road. So I'm really glad that you guys were not fighting at that moment.
Was the driver going too fast here?
Use the left lane to keep right to merge onto I-285.
A few moments later.
Left to merge onto I-285 north.
Did the second car get peer pressured to follow or something?
Bro, like, oh my god.
Green light, idiot. If you get the first support that.
If no one stops and yields, it all cancels out.
Don't have a stop sign. So, assault, second degree assault on an officer. Yeah, nice fucking turn.
A Tesla versus a food truck who's just trying to merge. There was a lot of traffic here. Let's give him a break. What is the good in this? If you think it's green, you can go. Just try to explain that to the cop that pulls you over.
A few moments later.
This is an F1 circuit. Just watch how they hit that apex.
Holy
I am speed. If there is a 5-inch gap, I am taking it.
12 seconds later.
Was this karma for speeding? Hopefully everyone is okay here. Most typical American crash, except it's not at a McDonald's this time. Something tells me that this isn't his first time doing this. They were on their phone 100%.
A few moments later.
Is this New York? I heard the cops there are pretty nice. Turn right to go left. Am I right? Amazon drivers high-fiving each other.
Whoa!
He hit the other Amazon driver's thing. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. He hit the other
And it's
Amazon.
on camera.
I hope everyone is okay here. Those buildings look very old though. Perhaps they helped absorb some of the impact though. This driver got stuck between both of the rails.
8 years. She's tried over 100 felony jury trials, so she knows what she's doing, spinning first-degree murder cases. She specializes in, among other cases, police use of force.
A few moments later.
Is suing her old boss at the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, alleging, I think it's sexual harassment.
If this
that
ever
he
happens to you,
sexually harassed
forget
her,
your car
sex
and run out of
discrimination and
there.
retaliation. Right? And yet, in the context of this civil litigation of behavior he's guilty of and what he was saying and doing while running, in particular, the George Floyd case, the case against Derek Chauvin. She says at her deposition, sworn,
Not gonna lie here, I would probably do the same in that heat. The cop doesn't even care anymore. It's okay. Everyone else with their lights on are fine enough for me to see. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.